Welcome to NIOXIN Pro Clinical. In this session, we're going to be looking at the fundamental parts of the kits, understanding what kits that we have available, and working on the three-step approach to how we bring it to life. Within the kits, we have 4 specific kits, 2 for progress thinning and 2 for light thinning, but also 1 for flaky, dandruff-prone scalps too. The reason we talk about the kits is there's a kit for everybody. So we have a kit designed for anybody who has got progress thinning hair, right through to anybody who has just starting to see the first signs of shedding. The kit encompasses 3 different products that work in synergy together: a cleanser, a hair and scalp moisturiser, and a treatment that work together to work from the scalp right up to the tip of the hair to give a fuller effect, but also a better scalp quality too.
Now let's talk about the 5 system kits that we have with NIOXIN Pro Clinical. Before we get into that, let's talk about light thinning versus progress thinning. Light thinning is for anybody that has started noticing the first signs of hair fall, or the hair is feeling a little bit lackluster, not as voluminous as it once was. Progress thinning, this is when you're going to start noticing the miniaturization of the hair feeling finer, and also a visible scalp. System Kit 1. System Kit 1 is designed for anybody with light thinning with natural hair. So this is unchemically treated, natural virgin hair. This contains a light moisturization element to this system kit and contains 3 specific products. System Kit 2. This system kit is designed again for anybody with natural virgin, unchemically treated hair. But this is when you're going to start noticing that progress thinning result, that scalp exposure. The treatment element of System Kit 2 contains a UV filter protection to protect that hair and scalp against UV rays. System Kit 3. System Kit 3 is for anybody with light thinning, but this time is for somebody with color treated hair or needs intense moisturization. System Kit 3 contains the most moisturization out of any of our system kits. This is great for anybody with thicker, coarser hair types or even curly, coily hair, and for chemically treated or colored hair. System Kit 4. This kit is designed for anybody with color or chemically treated hair that has started to notice the signs of progress thinning. This is when that scalp is going to be more exposed and they can be affected by the harmful effects of UV rays. Within the treatment element of System Kit 4, there contains a UV filter protection to protect that scalp and hair from these detrimental effects.
So after focusing on kits 1 to 4, let's have a look at scalp recovery. Now, scalp recovery is for clients who have dandruff or flaky scalps. It promotes targeting dandruff and removing the signs of dandruff from the first use. It is a concoction of ingredients such as prioritone-olamine, amantha arvensis, and amino acids that work together to help target dandruff, look after the scalp from a cooling point of view, but also working with amino acids to help strengthen the hair and make the hair feel as good as it can do while targeting dandruff. It too is a 3-step system with a cleanser, a hair and scalp moisturiser, and a soothing serum. All 3 of them are going to work together to really help target dandruff and make the scalp a much happier place from using it.
Now we've understood NIOXIN Pro Clinical's fundamentals on which system kit is best for yourself or your client, looking at key technologies and ingredients, and how to effectively use your system kit to the fullest potential. Think of this as a skincare regime for your hair care regime. Think of that shampoo cleanser to remove all the debris from the scalp. Think of that moisturizer that's going to moisturize the scalp and feel it leaving refreshed and invigorated. And lastly, that treatment. Like skincare, we have target treatments to focus on specific areas. These treatments are there to amplify the hair, giving you that thicker, fuller looking hair.